Hello everyone, my name is Egypt. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. If you're not new here, what's up? I hope you're okay. I hope you're feeling good and I hope you're ready for another video. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of the items that I bought from AliExpress. AliExpress can sometimes be hard to shop on, so I feel like this is going to be a super helpful video for anyone who has a similar style to me or you just want to see what the site has to offer. In the beginning of the video, you guys are going to see the haul, then you're going to see me try on the clothes, and then I'm going to give the tips. So that's how this video is going to be laid out. You might want to stay for the whole thing because literally it's all important and it's all separated just to make things organized. Other than that, all the links will be in the description, so make sure to click them if you want to see anything. I got you. Don't worry. Sit back, relax, and let's get into it. So this is the first thing that I got, and it's a mesh top, and it has the overlock stitching on it. This is very on brand right now, on trend. I just didn't want to say trend, that's why I said on brand, but on trend. I wore this as a beach cover up. You can wear this as a top, but I wore it as a beach cover up. Next thing I have is this top, which has like something on the inside that not jukes, but like pokes me in my chest. I don't know why I was just doing that. It pokes me in my chest and it's like really bad. It's like a piece of plastic or something, and I need to take that off of it. That you see it. It's really disrespectful, honestly. But other than that, it's a really cute top. They have this in white too, and I was thinking about getting it in white because it's like more springy, but I don't know, something about black. If there's a black option, I'm gonna get black. No matter what other color is there, I'm always gonna choose black. I don't know. But I was thinking about getting the white one too because it's actually a really nice top. It's like a nylon spandex material, and then it has mesh sleeves, and the cinching is really nice and it fits me really well. Fit is very important to me because I'm super small, so a lot of times it is hard to find things that actually fit my body properly and that doesn't make me look weird. So I appreciate this top for that, for fitting. Next, going along with black tops, this has like a lot of lint on it. Just ignore that. It's this top. I'm pretty sure this is an iamGia dupe. It doesn't have the Gia, it just has these little buckles there, but it's literally shaped and built and looks exactly like the iamGia top. I've also gotten pants from AliExpress if you look at my other AliExpress haul that are like iamGia dupes, and they're really nice. They're not the best quality, but for the look it is pretty on spot. If you don't want to show your chesticles, then you probably won't like this top because literally it shows everything right there, and I like it because it makes the girls look good, so I don't mind a little cleavage every now and then, you know. Next is this top. This top is too big for me, but it's cute. Other than that, I don't think I'm really gonna wear it unless I fix it, which I could possibly sew it, but not really my style. I don't really know why I got green. Probably because it's just a really trendy color. I don't know. Green's just not a color I wear. It looks good against my skin because honestly, anything looks good against my skin. I just always gravitate towards darker and more neutral colors, so I don't know. And plus I don't have any sneakers that match this unless I wear just black. But we'll see. I'll probably still wear it because I bought it. Yeah, it's kind of out of my comfort zone. But this is in my comfort zone. This is just me. Like, if I could be a crop top, honestly, I think this would be me. Because this is so adorable. When I sew and make clothes, I love the look of the triangular bottom because it just makes the body look good. So I really like that, and I'm obsessed with the overlock inside outside thing that we got going on right now. I make a lot of these tops. I literally bought an overlock machine to make tops like this, so I low-key want to try to recreate this design in other colorways. It's a yin yang top, if you don't know what this is. I don't know why I keep like really abusing myself right now. Like, I'm just beating myself up today, but whatever. She'll get over it. Next, I have this top that I literally wore the other day, and I mean, you can wear it like this, but it also comes with the sleeves, which I think is what makes this shirt, you know. I like it. You can wear it without anything if that's your vibe, but it is see-through, so I did wear like a bandeau top under. It reminds me of FAMU colors, so I felt kind of awkward wearing it. Is this the last thing? Yes, it is. Okay, that was really short. I guess I really didn't order that many things, but these things took a long time to get to me. Lastly, we have this brown corset. Oh my gosh, it looks so beautiful on camera. Wow. Well, I really love this, but it's too big for me. So I think I know how I'm gonna remedy that problem. I'm just gonna tie the strings, because it has long strings, so I'm gonna tie it around the front to make it more cinched in the waist, because that's what I was going for. Like, if you're gonna get a corset, I feel like you might as well just not breathe. Like, I don't want a loose corset that doesn't make my waist look snatched, you know? Isn't the point of a corset to have a snatched waist? But I'm gonna go ahead and try all this stuff on. I picked out a couple of bottoms to just put on them real quick and show you guys how it looks. I think I spoke the fit of this corset into existence because I can't breathe. And when I first tried it on, I promise you it was too big. But now somehow it fits, which probably just means I gained weight, I guess. I put on these low-waisted jeans because I feel like a corset will look good with low-rise jeans, because low-rise jeans just show off your shape, and so do corsets. So the combination just made sense in my head, and I think it looks cute. If I had a breath, I could talk. But what I was gonna say was, if I had the mocha ones, I feel like that would be such a cute outfit. But I don't, so this is the outfit for now. 10 out of 10. Well, no, 3 out of 3 stars. What do you call that? Really nice quality, honestly. Very sturdy. Fits the bod. I love the brown. I would actually, honestly, I might have to order this in black and white, because this can really be worn in any way, anywhere too, depending on how you style it. So yeah, I recommend this corset if you want a corset. So this is the long sleeve mesh top. I think it's cute. I already really tried all these things on, so I know how they fit, but you guys don't. So that's why I'm doing this. I think it's really nice. It fits me very well, and it's not loose in any places, which is appreciated. I like it. And I'm wearing like a bandeau, like I said, underneath it. Pretty simple, casual. I can wear this with a skirt if I wanted to. Like I said, I wore it to the beach, so I need to wash it ASAP. I low-key feel like long lost Power Ranger or Ninja Turtle. I don't know, like, it's cute, but the colors. If this was all black, it would be perfect, but it's not. It's orange and green. I don't really see myself wearing this out again. I wore it once, and that's, I don't know, it's the colors. This is her, my fave. I love this top so much. I think it honestly speaks for itself. I really don't have to say much. You see the yin yang, the black and the white, the overlock stitch, everything is just amazing. I love this. When I get money to afford shopping on iamGia, I am definitely going to, because I really love the designs of their clothing, but I can't afford it, so yeah, I just gotta get what I want somehow, and this is how. I love it. Although it doesn't say Gia, it's the same thing, honestly. And it's literally beautiful. It fits me so well. I love it. And it's not a thin material at all. It's pretty thick, and it's not see-through. And the hardware, I haven't washed it, so I don't know how this is gonna do in the washing machine. I probably won't wash it. I'll probably hand wash it, because I don't know how that's gonna do, but so good. And I just have these pants on. I just love when clothes fit me. Like, that sounds, hold on, that sounds so simple, but it means a lot. This is the next top, the one that I was saying has a little plastic. I just want to add that in there because it's getting some points off. This is what I was talking about. It has like some ruching. This one had it too. And I feel like it's so nice. It's such a small detail, but it adds just another level to it. It makes it look a little bit more elegante. This could be worn to dinner, but it also can be dressed down with jeans. I'm telling you, all these items can be worn in so many ways, and that's why I got them. So now I'm gonna try on the last shirt, which is the one that doesn't fit me. Okay, so this is a prime example of fit is important with me because I look extremely boxy in this top because it could be a lot, honestly, a lot tighter. And I feel like also if it was shorter like that, it would be way cuter. This color combination is just beautiful. It's giving it's giving mint chocolate chip, and I'm here for it, honestly. So I'm probably gonna make this shorter and fit me because I honestly think this is super cute. I would give it a 2.5. No, I'm gonna give it a 2 because it doesn't fit, but it's super cute still, so yeah. I'm gonna leave a couple tips with you guys on shopping on AliExpress because sometimes it can be a little bit difficult if you've never been on the website, but you can literally find anything on AliExpress, and I'm pretty sure you can cross-reference photos. If not, literally type in what you see and something may pop up. View how many orders it has and view how many reviews it has. If it doesn't have a lot of orders and it has no reviews, don't even try it because you don't know what you're gonna get. I'd rather buy something that has a lot of reviews because I know that people bought it and they put pictures of how it looks. I know what I'm gonna get. So yeah, I only buy things with reviews, good reviews at that, because otherwise I'll be wasting my time and my money. So yeah, look at the reviews, look at the suggested things, and also visit the shops that actually sell the items because AliExpress is a bunch of different vendors. So that's why things take different amount of times. You're gonna get things in different kind of packaging because it's literally coming from a bunch of different places. So check out the vendor shops. As you can see, I liked a lot of the stuff that I got. So I'm obviously gonna go back and look at what the shops have since I know that they're delivering what they're actually advertising. So when you look on the shops, I definitely suggest going to products and then clicking orders so that it organizes the products from the most ordered to the least ordered, because if it has no reviews, I literally don't even pay any attention no matter how cute it looks, because it could literally be anything and you won't even know because no one else has even bought it, no one else can vouch for it. So why even waste your time and money if you don't see any reviews? So if you see something and you like it, just favorite it. You can organize your favorites in lists. Mine are all in lists. Like I have wigs because I low-key want to try a wig from AliExpress, but I've heard a lot of bad reviews and I'm not trying to waste my time or money, as I said. So probably not gonna order wigs from there. But I have tops, bottoms, like all my stuff is jewelry, home decor, because they have so much stuff on AliExpress. I'll be sitting on there at like 3 o'clock in the morning just looking through all the stuff they have on there. It's kind of addicting because I made another order of jewelry so that I can do an accessories version to this video. So if you guys want to see that, subscribe and turn on my notifications because I'm gonna be posting that as soon as I get everything. Probably gonna be in the next month, honestly, so you might want to subscribe. Also, AliExpress does a lot of little coupons, so you can like save $1, save $2. It's not that much, but it's something. Honestly, like I'm all for sales and I'm all for coupons, even if it's 50 cents. That's 50 cents that I would have to spend out of my pocket that I get to keep. I'm pretty sure that's like all the tips I have. If you guys have any questions, just comment them. I respond to pretty much all the comments that are respondable, you know? So if you have any questions, I will definitely respond. All the links will be in the description, so you don't even have to worry about that. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!